Good day to all my kadiskarte. On today's vlog, I'll be making brownies. This is the request of my colleagues here in the ship. So, before we'll start this making this dessert, all the ingredients I will put on the description down below. And all the shout out I'll be mentioning on the last part of my video. So, let's start making this dessert. This is the ingredients of our brownies to all my kadiskarte. Chocolate bar, 460 grams. Butter, 450. Sugar, 625 grams. 1 cup chopped nuts. I use cashew nuts. 7 pieces eggs. 280 grams of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons or teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional. So all my kadiskarte, if you don't have, just ignore it. So let's start our first procedure. So this is the procedure of my brownies to all my kadiskarte. I double boiled the chocolate bar and the butter. This is unsalted butter. While doing this one, we mix the second procedure to all my kadiskarte. So while boiling to all my kadiskarte, we proceed to the next procedure. We mix the 7 pieces eggs, sugar, and approximately 3 teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional to all my kadiskarte, ha. So this is the result of my double boiled butter and the chocolate melted already. So we go to the third step because I done already the second step, which is the egg, sugar, and the vanilla essence. So we'll go to the next step. So this is the third step of our brownies to all my kadiskarte. We will mix the double boiled chocolate and the butter. So we can mix. Then we will put the flour little by little. And we will add the chopped nuts. So this is the mixture of my brownies to all my kadiskarte. So we will put the mixture in the tray. So this is my tray to all my kadiskarte I use with parchment paper. So let's start putting the mixture. So the next step will be we will put in the oven. So let's put it. This is the setup of my oven to all my kadiskarte. 160 degrees and 30 minutes of cooking. So it's already inside the oven to all my kadiskarte, and let's start. And let's wait for 30 minutes. What will be the outcome? This is the result of my brownies to all my kadiskarte. I just add 20 minutes for cooking because it's still wet when I cook. So my cooking time is 50 minutes. It's ready to serve to all my kadiskarte. So we need to cut this one. So this is the brownies to all my kadiskarte. This is the result. See, the chocolate is in the middle almost, and there's a nuts inside. So we are now finished making the brownies to all my kadiskarte. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Junwin Albero Vlogs, and allow me to mention all my shoutouts, and shoutouts to all my katoda in Mga Taram, RCS Toda, and Jenny Villapando, Rosemary Benitez, Jade Albuero, Lynn Purganan, Jessica Maganda, Carol Luna, and Chipmate Donald, who requested the brownies, and Shomas Morrison, my friend. Also to my family in Barangay Umanganan, Calbo, the Albero family and Javier family. Thank you to all your support, and God bless.